You're listening to That Home Loan Hub. I'm Zibuni Salimova, here to make home loans and property investing simple, smart, and stress-free. Let's get you closer to your property dreams. Separation and home ownership, how to rebuild your financial future. Today's episode hits close to home, rebuilding your financial future after separation. Going through a separation isn't easy, emotionally or financially. And when home ownership gets involved, the stress can skyrocket. But today, we're turning the tables and showing you exactly how you can reclaim your financial independence and confidently step into your next chapter. My tip number 1, evaluate your finances honestly. Start by getting real about your financial situation. Don't hit your head in the sand. Gather your documents, know your debts and assets, and clearly outline your income and expenses. Knowledge gives you power and clarity, especially in uncertain times. What I want you to do next is to build your support team. Don't do it alone. Your support team is key. Connect with a mortgage advisor, financial planner, or even a trusted friend who understands your journey. Expert guidance and personal support make all the difference that you can rebuild. The next thing I need you to do, and I've been talking about it almost on every single episode, is to create a budget. But what you need to do in your situation when you're separating is to create a new budget, because new chapters call for new budgets. Review your spending, find places to trim, and prioritize building your savings. Small, consistent steps can quickly build momentum and security for your home ownership dreams. Now, what I want you to do next is evaluate your options thoughtfully. Buying out a partner or downsizing or renting to temporarily rebuild your savings, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. Just the right choice for your personal journey and goals. And this is where it's very important for you to sit down with a mortgage advisor and consider all of those options. Let's look into Sarah's case. She is a recent listener who navigated her separation with courage. After regrouping financially and emotionally, she downsized to a cozy townhouse, rebuilt her savings, and is now thriving with newfound financial independence. Her story proves it's not only possible, but also empowering. Now, because of so many clients that I've been dealing with over the last years of being a mortgage advisor, I've actually written an ebook that will guide you before you decide to separate, through the separation, and after. If you want to get a copy of that book, feel free to message us and we'll send you a copy. And remember, your path may be challenging, but it's also filled with possibilities. Take control of your finances, lean into your support system, and explore home ownership that truly suits your new reality. And remember, you're never alone. We're always here to guide you. Thanks for joining us. And that's a wrap on That Home Loan Hub. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join me next time for more property tips and tricks. Your next smart move starts here.